If you're a man over 35 and you have been feeling tired all the time, moody for no real reason, struggling to build muscle no matter how hard you work out, carrying extra weight around your belly that just simply will not budge, or just not feeling like the man you used to be, this video is made for you. Here's the truth. A lot of men chalk those feelings up to just getting older. They accept it. They push through it. They never stop to ask why this is happening. But what if it is not just age? What if there's a specific reason your body is not performing the way it could? And more importantly, what if there's something you can actually do about it? I'm here at ThinWorks in Palm Beach Gardens, and today we're talking about testosterone replacement therapy, or TRT. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what TRT does for your body, you will understand the 9 key health benefits it can provide, and you will have a clear picture of whether this is something worth exploring for yourself. No fluff, no confusion, just the information you need to make a smart decision about your health. There's been a lot of buzz around TRT over the last few years, and for good reason. A lot of men still do not fully understand what it actually does. So let's change that right now. Let's get into it. Benefit number 1, boosted energy levels. This is usually the first thing men notice when they consider starting TRT, and it's the one that gets people's attention the most. Testosterone plays a huge role in your overall energy. As men age and testosterone levels drop, that sluggish, dragging feeling becomes more and more common. A lot of guys just chalk it up to getting older and accept it as their new normal. But it doesn't have to be. When testosterone is restored to a healthy level, many men describe waking up feeling vibrant again, actually having the energy to get through their day, checking things off their list, and still having something left in the tank at the end of it. That alone is a game changer. Benefit number 2, improved mood and emotional well-being. Hormones and mood are deeply connected, and testosterone is no exception. Low testosterone can cause irritability, sadness, and even symptoms that look a lot like depression. If you've been snapping at people you love, feeling unmotivated, or just emotionally flat, low testosterone could be a contributing factor. Many men who receive TRT report a real sense of restoration, a return to feeling like themselves. When your hormone levels come back to where they should be, emotional stability tends to follow. And that ripple effect touches every area of your life, your relationships, your work, your confidence. Benefit number 3, increased muscle strength and mass. Testosterone is one of the primary drivers of muscle development in the male body. So when levels drop, holding onto muscle becomes a real struggle. Even if you're still putting in the work at the gym, you might be training just as hard as you did 5 or 10 years ago and seeing a fraction of the results. TRT can help change that. It supports your body's ability to build and maintain lean muscle mass, which is especially important as we age. Whether your goal is to get stronger, look better, or simply maintain the physical capability to live an active life, this benefit is significant. Benefit number 4, improved bone density. This one doesn't get talked about enough. Most people associate bone density loss with women, but men are absolutely affected too. Testosterone plays a critical role in maintaining bone health, and when levels decline, bones can weaken over time, increasing the risk of fractures and conditions like osteoporosis. TRT has been shown to improve bone density and slow down that progressive bone loss. Strong bones keep you active, keep you mobile, and protect you as you get older. It's one of those long-term benefits that you might not feel immediately, but it matters enormously for your quality of life down the road. Benefit number 5, improved cognitive function. Brain fog is real, and low testosterone is one of the things that can cause it. Men with low testosterone often report difficulty concentrating, memory issues, and just a general mental cloudiness that makes it hard to perform at their best. Whether it's at work, at home, or anywhere else, when testosterone is restored to a healthy level, many men notice sharper focus, better memory, and improved clarity. Your brain needs testosterone to function at its best, just like the rest of your body does. Benefit number 6, increased libido and sexual health. Let's talk about this one directly, because it's one of the most common reasons men come to us in the first place. Testosterone has a major role in sex drive and sexual function. As levels drop with age, reduced libido and even erectile dysfunction become increasingly common, and they can take a serious toll on a man's confidence and relationships. TRT has a well-documented track record of improving sexual desire, stamina, and performance. If low libido has been affecting your life and your relationship, this is absolutely something worth having a conversation about with a professional. Benefit number 7, cardiovascular wellness. Men with low testosterone levels have been shown to have a higher risk of developing heart-related issues. When testosterone is brought back to optimal levels, there are potential improvements in blood pressure and cholesterol levels that support overall heart health. Now, I want to be transparent here. Research in this area is still ongoing, and TRT is not a standalone treatment for heart disease. But the connection between healthy testosterone levels and cardiovascular wellness is real, and it's another reason why getting your levels checked matters. Benefit number 8, support for healthy weight management. Low testosterone and weight go hand in hand, particularly that stubborn abdominal fat that seems impossible to get rid of no matter what you do. Testosterone helps regulate metabolism and fat storage, so when levels are low, your body tends to hold on to fat and struggle to build the lean lean muscle that keeps your metabolism running efficiently. TRT, combined with healthy eating and regular exercise, can make weight management significantly more achievable. It's not a magic solution on its own, but it removes a major hormonal barrier that may have been working against you. And benefit number 9, improved insulin sensitivity. This one is particularly important for men who are managing or at risk for type 2 diabetes. Low testosterone has been linked to insulin resistance, which makes it harder for your body to regulate blood sugar effectively. TRT has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, which supports better blood sugar management and overall metabolic health. So there you have it, 9 powerful health benefits of testosterone replacement therapy: energy, mood, muscle, bone density, cognitive function, sexual health, cardiovascular wellness, weight management, and insulin sensitivity. When you look at that list, it becomes very clear why so many men are exploring TRT and why it can be genuinely life-changing when it's the right fit. Now here's the important part. TRT is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It needs to be done properly under the supervision of experienced professionals who take the time to understand your specific health picture. That's exactly what we do at ThinWorks. If you're in Palm Beach Gardens or anywhere in Palm Beach County and you've been experiencing fatigue, mood changes, reduced libido, difficulty building muscle, or any of the other symptoms we talked about today, come in and talk to us. We'll help you figure out whether TRT is the right path for you. You can reach us at thinworks.com to schedule your free consultation. The link is in the description below. Don't just accept feeling less than your best. Your health is worth prioritizing, and we're here to help you do exactly that. All right, see you in the next one.